Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. So today we're going to take a look at ArcMap versions, and the specific scenario is what happens if you are using a newer version than someone else and you've tried to send them your map document, which is the MXD, and they try to open that MXD on their desktop and they get a warning that pops up saying that they have an older version, they're not able to open it. So how do you get this map document that you're working on, the newer version, downgraded to a different version? And that's what we're going to take a look at. So it's a pretty quick and easy fix. Just as a recap, if you come up to File and then Save As, like when you were originally saving your map document on your own computer, you have one option down here for Save As Type. It's just MXD. That's your map document. And I've already saved mine here. So let's take a look at then the Help menu to see what version I'm on. So I'm on ArcGIS Desktop 10.8. So again, for our scenario, let's say I tried to send someone this MXD, which is in version 10.8, and they try to open it on their computer, which is ArcGIS Desktop 10.5. That's when they'll get that error that pops up saying that they have an older version and they're not able to open the MXD. So they can tell you what version that they're on, or perhaps you can just ask them what version that they're on ahead of time, or if there's an issue. And the quick and easy fix is to come up to File and then save a copy. And now, if you remember from File Save As, when you clicked on the menu here for Save As Type, you only had the one version, ArcMap document. Because now you're saving a copy, you have all of the different versions that are listed in here. You can go back one step to 10.7, or you can come back all the way to early on ArcMap to 8.3 if you wanted. So for this scenario, we're coming back to version 10.5, and I'll go ahead and just add an extra tag on the end of the file name just so that we know what it's for, 10.5, and then I'll save this. So I've just saved a copy of my 10.8 MXD, my map document, except I've downgraded it to version 10.5. So if I were to hop over to Arc Catalog and I'll just refresh my folder here where I am, you can see here is the copy that I've saved in version 10.5. So you can now just go into File Explorer or something like that and then send the other person that version, and then they'll be able to open it in their desktop. Now again, that just saves a copy of the MXD that you have open. If I were to go back and look at my MXD, you can see that I still have my original 10.8 version open. All I did was to create a copy of it, downgrade it to a different version, and in this case it was 10.5. So hopefully this helped you today, and come back next time. Thanks.